In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to see if someone is invisible on Discord. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Usually, when you go to your Discord settings, you can choose to either be online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible. As you guys know, you always receive notifications on online and idle, and do not disturb will still give you notifications, but they won't pop up unless you open up the app. Invisible, on the other hand, makes you appear as offline with access of everything on Discord, and you still get notifications whenever someone sends you a message. However, is there a way to differentiate when someone is manually set to invisible or when they have Discord closed and inactive? Usually, when you click their profile, you can hover over the little icon that shows what status they have. For example, this bot is currently online, and this bot is also as well. You can even do this on a mini preview. And when you hover over someone that is invisible, it will always display this grayed out icon with the invisible tag. As you guys can see, I am using Discord at the moment, and I manually set my status as invisible, and it still shows invisible. But if I were to click on someone that has Discord closed, it would still display invisible. This is because, as of today, it is impossible to know if someone is actually invisible or logged off of Discord. Discord respects the privacy of its users and does not allow others to know if someone has Discord closed or manually set to invisible. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to see if someone is actually invisible on Discord. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.